So question 2. The first mark here is actually for recognising that before we do anything with this, we need to multiply out the bracket. So actually your first stage is just to recognise that we're dealing with the sum of r squared minus 1. I suppose I should put brackets in that. And then we remember with these things you can split up the sigma sign, deal with each bit separately. Okay. Now the first half of this is in the formula booklet, isn't it? So this is just a case of finding the right place and copying that down. 1/6 n, what was it? 1/6 n, 2n plus 1 times n plus 1. It's written the other way around in the formula booklet, isn't it? Like that. And then the other thing is for recognising what this is. Now this is what you get if you add 1 n times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on. And if you do that n times, you get n. So we have to recognise we need to take away n at the end of that. Now at this point, we've already picked up 3 marks just for getting to that unfactorised, unsimplified form. But that is the right answer, that's what it's equal to. The final 3 marks are for simplifying this, for factorising it. We've got a common factor of n that we're going to have to take out. It's also always in these cases going to be helpful to take the fraction out to the front, so we're going to write a 6th at the start there. So the first term we need to multiply by n plus 1 times 2n plus 1, and the second term, well, the thing that you'd have to multiply a 1/6 of n by to get n is just 6. So we've got 6 there. Now we've got to tidy up what's in that square bracket. That's going to be 2n squared, and then we'd have a plus n plus 2n, so it's 3n plus 1 minus 6, which gives us 1/6 of n, 2n squared plus 3n minus 5. And the final thing is for recognising that we can factorise that, and that comes out as being, what was it, 2n plus 5 and n minus 1 it would need to be, wouldn't it? Giving us 2n squared minus 2n plus 5n would be plus 3n minus 5. And there we are. And that was 6 marks for doing that.